Hey there, frustrated with the time and money spent on building a business website? You're not alone. You go through the hassle, hire a developer, spend thousands of dollars, and yet might not be fully satisfied. It's time to stop the frustration. Meet WebBee, the ultimate solution for all your business needs. With WebBee, your website will be designed and developed in just 4 simple steps, and guess what? It will be all done in just 72 hours. First, sign up on our website and submit the request. Second, once the request has been approved, our experts will help you out choose the best template. Third, our Bee experts will handle out everything from development, content creation, domain setup, you name it. Fourth, your website is ready and waiting for the final approval. Boom! Once your website is live, you will get the full dashboard to manage your website and a mobile application that no one is providing in this industry. With this mobile application, you can add services, manage appointments, see reviews, and much more. All this in just 72 hours? Sounds unreal, right? Try WebBee and see for yourself. Ready to get started? Contact us today and let our Bee experts help you throughout the process.